Now this one's a very sentimental. Yes. Yes. And we might not sing it on tune very well. Just saying.
Just listen to the words.
Yeah, thank you, Karen. Turn off the video camera somewhere on. Okay. Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah. I cried a tear. You wiped it dry. When I was scared, you calmed my mind. You held me up when I began to walk. And listened well when I began to talk. I really needed you. You warmed me up when I was cold. And when I sneezed, you dried my nose. You gave me strength so I could go to school to learn and play. And rock and roll. I really needed you when I was lost. You took me home and held my hand and hugged me so. You'll never know how much I love you so. For all the special things you do for me each day. I love you so. Thank God for you. I love you so. Thank God for you.
Yay!